Introducing the 2021 Acura TLX. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. What do you get when you take luxury, add sport styling, and inject it with high-performance engineering? The TLX. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, moonroof, sun moonroof, lane keeping assist. Heighten your driving experience. Drive the TLX today.